Just retightening a few of my locks. I don't need to wait. This one I just feel like I want to do it or whatever. So I use this. I don't use no mirror or anything most of the time. This is actually different for me to be looking at it. I just watch TV or binge watch something on Netflix, and I just retighten like that. So I went one way. I do 2-point rotation for interlocking. I got this tool off of Amazon. It's for interlocking locks. The reason why I like this tool so much, sometimes this look, because my tips are like thick, because they butt it like that. But yeah, this is a little hair that got stuck, but got it out and didn't break. But yeah, that's it. I'll just interlock that one. Maybe I can show you guys this one. So it's right next to it. If it's any hairs, I just wrap it around. And I just pull it through. I just do a 2-point rotation. So this is literally, I'm just going 2 times. That's how I know I'm not really ready for a retwist, because I do more than 2. If it's only 2 times, that's a little bit. Could wait a couple of more weeks. So I've interlocked these 2 in comparison. But let's do a little lock tour too, guys. I'm sorry, this is really random. So I dyed my hair blonde. You guys see, like I did a little lighter than it was. I did like that ginger color, so it's uneven, but I like it. The reason why I like it is because I don't know, I like you can see the black underneath. I just put the bleach on top of the lock. I don't squeeze it in, so you can still see my color underneath. I'm trying to give y'all a tour, but I hope that worked. This side. It's uneven, but I like it. I'm not tripping about it, so yeah. And I'm gonna keep retouching it. I like this color on me with the dark eyebrows, the dark thin eyebrows. Anyway, that was a quick little lock tour. Just like showing you guys how I interlock my hair. I just did this one and this one, and that was it. But yeah. And then the short ones are, of course, my hair growing back from postpartum shed. So let's see all the short ones. I like my little locks. They're special to me, because like they came from literally nothing. Like it was a bald spot. But all of these are my growth from postpartum shed. A little bit after I started my lock journey. All of these fell out. I was hanging on to, I'm still kind of hanging on to some, like this is probably one that I'm kind of hanging on to. That could have been cut like right to here, but I feel like it's strong enough to upkeep that, so I'm gonna let that be. And then it's lint. I have lint in my hair too, if you guys see the lint. And then I try to get it out, but it don't bother me. It is what it is. I get it out. I do the apple cider vinegar for some more little locks. There we go, my baby locks. But they're gotten so long though, so I'm happy about it. But yeah, it's a quick little lock tour of my little uneven dye job, but I like it. So, all right, y'all. See y'all later.